Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and I think it's a really honor to have this opportunity to share our topic here. Can you see my screen? It's okay?
Yes.
Okay. So
Mhm.
today my topic is a very simply to just moving on our main list, which can be do the topic is on-seen bridge. How to say on-seen bridge? Um, this is I want to share with you today is the kind of topic is about our devices. This is our main product that we coming from the three part to share with others, share with everyone for the core challenge. For first part for the core challenge from the smart retail and logistics. Second part is what we do for the smart retail and smart logistics, and third part is for why choosers and who we are, what we have. Okay, for the first part that we moving on is your business struggling with such an issues, in the current days. You mean first of all the proliferation of the data as loans, like the picture you can just check in. There is so many different kind of protocols which are coming from the mass devices. So these kind of devices, mass devices, will make kind of issues like the data collection and interaction will be very difficult to collect. Okay, so next maybe from the complex network maintenance, such as the widely network points, frequently equipment and network failures, slowly operation and maintenance responses, and high cost. This is what also will cause the low business efficiency. Third one is for the real-time response delays. Um, for example, critical data, is very important for the logistics delivery line. This will be uploaded to the cloud very on the real time. So if there is any delay, may lead to the sorting errors and inaccurate inventory. Um, for all issues we talking about, so what ZLAN do? What we do is to build an intelligent, reliable and secure IoT neural network to help the industry development. Our solution is to not simply for the hardware stack, but also for the technical um, architecture. Like we create a digital level center for the customers to approve the seamless collection, smooth data flow, intelligence operation, and maintenance. Okay. For the smart retail, what we do for the for the details solution is that creating a closed loop experience for participation, decision, and exclusion. What we do is for collector, we have a lot of the gateway and server devices products. These devices and the gateway will be easily to collect the various commercial devices, like whatever we are in the installate Wi-Fi, traditional server communication. We can also use a kind of server port to communicate them together, such as the self-server cache registers, electrical price tags, and so on. So moving for this kind of situation that you will see, we can use this monitor all electrical switches in the store that will be achieving company to get the energy saving and the consumption reduction. Okay, this is our main products for 4G DTU and 4G router. And 4G DTU, 4G router will be using very well in the situation which we're talking about. And these two products will be help to achieve a unified collection and standardization of the data from all devices. So, uh, Actually, we have the full generation for the 4G DTU. This generation will be just depend development in different kind of years. So this kind of DTU will be help when there is no such as why we use the 4G DTU is kind of things that when there is no internet wide network or no Wi-Fi protocol, so that will be using the 4G DTU. This 4G DTU will help us to easy to use and also connect all protocol very easily. We are not only based on the hardware, which we talking about before, and also we can do the customization for the cloud platform. This kind of a cloud platform from one of our customer. This could be help the customer to monitoring the data very carefully and also greatly to reduce the operation and maintenance cost to achieve a millet level. Okay, from the smart logistics, we can help the company to realize the verialization and the automation of the entire warehouse transportation, distribution chain. So this will be in the three kind of ways to help the customer to do like this. So from the industrial grade reliable connection, you can see we can do for customer to do the continuous and stable operation, also to help them to enable coordinary control of the robots and the door and elevator systems. The second one for the real-time data collection and edge computing. This will be also significantly reduce the cloud load and achieve ultra-low latency data processing. And also, we have multiple programmation based on JSON gateways to collect energy consumption data and correspond and also we can manage energy consumption and saving energy and reduce emission to follow up this kind of situation. For the last one, and also we can using to our this kind of a solution to help the customer assisting, sorting, and transmission systems. This will be you can see this kind of situation that we use the I/O controllers and serial port servers to use in the sorting system. This kind of sorting system will help the people to build a secure channel to ensure fast and efficient operation. Also, we can meet enterprise level efficient operation requirements and the safe ground to stable operation of smart logistics. Okay, so based on all before we talking about for the kind of solutions, so why choose us? Who we are, what do we have that will be just simply to introduce to each others. We are coming from Shanghai and we registered in Shanghai through 2008 and we also around the 20 or around the 16 years. So it's a kind of way that we every year we keep development and keep development for the new products and based on the currently customer leads. So we have a lot of generation products to inquire different kind of customer needs. Okay, for our company, we now have three more than subsidiaries, and also we have more than 100 employees to do this kind of job. And monthly, we have the production capacity mostly exceeds 10 million, more than 10 million, and we have more than 100,000 customers from all over the world. Here is quickly to remove our company honors. We pass through ISO 9001, and we have CE, we have a roles to do the different kind of market. Here is our patent. Most of our products are based on our doctor. So most of the products are developed by ourselves. Okay, this is our honors for the products. Yes. Yeah. Finally, I just want to say we are not only a factory with production and also we have the R&D capacity, but we are also link bridge for the industry IoT. Our advantages, and you can just see what is that we have an innovative R&D team to meet the different kinds of needs of various customers. And we also hope to cooperate with more professional cooperator and with more professional integrated suppliers to recommend our products and service to move more users. So we'll today I'm really appreciate your time and tonight. So if you have any further more questions and request and cooperation, oh, it's really welcome to contact me directly.
Hmm. Thanks a lot. Thank you,
Yeah,
Jocelyn, for a very solid presentation to represent ZLAN. And I believe companies like ZLAN are always playing the role of the technical problem solver and
yeah.
solution designer, right? In many real
Thank you.
digital solution cases.
Yes.
And actually, from your presentation, we can see your cut straight to the many core challenges of, for example, the data silos,
Mm,
protocol complexity, and or let's say the daily network maintenance. All very practical problems need to be concerned by the
yeah.
product engineers and decision makers in retail and logistic industries. And also,
Yes.
you also mentioned to build a actually like a reliable IoT neural center alike, right? So to
Mm,
basically show us how your gateways and controllers create a, let's say, as you said, a very good term, unseen bridge between all the equipment and smart systems in both retail and logistics. So
yes.
we believe it's a very practical solutions built for decision makers. So my question is, when you're dealing with your client case in real practice, when integrating device with different protocols and platforms in those smart logistic or retail systems, how does Zealand engineers or your product managers ensure all the system stability and compatibility for especially international clients? So usually, how would you provide the service when your clients are uh, out of China or in other regional markets?
Mm.
Usually, how would the collaboration going on?
Yeah, actually, first, I think it's for the we have the like you said, we have a rich protocol conversation capabilities for the from the different kind of customers. So covering this kind of um, industry, and so we have such as the Modbus RTU to Modbus TCP and Modbus RTU to Anselate. So this kind of different kind of protocol, I think, can meet most of the customer needs for from all over the world. And also the if a customer protocol are not included for this kind of such as I say the Modbus ITU to isolate, we can also do the customization. So special for customer needs. We can give them solutions. Third thing, I think it's for the we have the very stable quality for the industrial grade hardware design to enhance the system stability. So actually, most of our products have the anti-interface and protection design. This will be keep the products stable and reliable hardware quality. The another one I think is intelligent management of the fault resistance to ensure stable operation cloud. Like we can based on the kind of customers needs to do the flexible hardware configuration. Okay, such as we have a kind of products like we have the real installation design for support the wide voltage to input. So this kind of wide input voltage will be satisfy different kinds of uh, company or most of the company. Also, we cooperate with also we have the cooperate with some other companies from all over the world, and we have a lot of years to maybe develop for the global market. So we have the approve to for our products to moving on. Also, we have the data security and backup data method. So this will be this also will be safer ground, I think, Billy's community. Yeah, that's all I think will be helpful for each other for all customer from globally will meet their
I see.
requirements. Yeah.
Mm. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Jocelyn, for your introduction and the Q&A answer. So in near future, all the relevant. Okay, cool. Thanks for the feedback.
Thank you.
I
Thank
think
you.
some audience didn't catch the your talk some points for the internet connection, but now it's getting okay. So
Yeah.
yes, thanks a lot for the presentation, and let's move to the final one, but a very good case sharing from uh, Leo Luo from iData.